All right, we're putting together another boat here. I just today went around the edge of this hull and did a little bit of grinding to it to make it so that the deck will slip over it nice. And I got this deck flipped back over so I can start rigging it with the lights and the steering and the bilge pump and all that, and switches, and then we can flip it back over and start wiring. But yeah, this is the next one. We've already sent that one that I was working on down to where it was going, and this is the next one. And this week we'll be spraying that hull back there and getting another hull started. That'll be the last green hull before we do a red one. And what else we got to do here? Let's see. Yeah, I got to grind around the edge of that white one to get the excess off of it. Got to do a little work to the back of the deck mold before we shoot it again, which I've got 2 decks to shoot for green. And down here, right there on the floor, those 2 buckets, that's the red gel coat. So we got this going. And on the other side of it is some clear that we will be using for over there. Underneath that tarp is the mold for a 3-wheel motorcycle body. So sometime here in amongst all this, we'll be spraying those up too, and they're going to be metal flake. The hull to this white boat is almost done. We've got to get some plywood in to do the floor and the transom in it, and then we can get it pulled. Just a real general quick update on the shop. I'm just trying to get some grinding done today, and so we can move on. It's kind of a dusty day today. I've got the edge of the deck grinded. I've got to grind that one, and then I'm going to call it quits for the night, and I've got a run to make. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.